hey Woff, I got a little sidetracked and I should be working on Keyboys. Uh, Instead, over the weekend, I made this box and then a bigger version, which is this box. So yeah, pretty cool. Uh, so the other day I watched a video on how the Hatsune Miku, um, like the concerts that they do, how the projection works for that. And turns out it's just a really high tech version of an old stage illusion called Pepper's Ghost. I don't know if you've heard of it. But basically, what you have is just a 45-degree film or like clear plastic or whatever, something that can reflect but let light through as well. And then you just have a video source underneath, and it reflects up there. So you can sort of see my hand reflected there. But if you have a proper source, this is designed for my phone. It sort of creates like a pseudo like hologram. I don't know. It's also how teleprompters work as well. So it's pretty much that. It looks really cool. I can't show you this one because I'm recording it on my phone, and yeah, my phone fits in there. But what I can show you is the bigger version. This does look a little worse because the film I kind of beat up, and it also has a crease in it, so that cuts off the thing. But if we get a video source, so here's my old Surface, and we got Hatsune Miku there. Just put it in. And then look at that. It projects it up there. Now, I know the crease, it really sucks. It's kind of messing up the entire thing, but if you just look down below the crease, I mean that looks pretty cool, huh? Look at that. Okay, so and it can play video as well. And look at that. And this is really how they do the Hatsune Miku concert. It's pretty cool, huh? But yeah, I'm planning on making a bigger version of this sometime soon, probably with some actual like plexiglass or like acrylic sheets or something, and a projector and a mirror. So if that makes sense, I think I drew my plans out here. Yeah, here they are. Right? So you have your sheet there at 45 degrees, and then here's the audience, and then you have the projector up top reflecting the image down onto there. So yeah, that's pretty much how it works. Oh, we're just starting the next one, and look at that. I mean, that's pretty cool if you ask me. And it doesn't need to just be Hatsune Miku. That's just what I put it as. But yeah, that's just a little something I thought you'd find cool. Bye.